Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial we are going to learn about bins. So what are bins in statistics? Data is usually sorted in way or another, and you may sort the data into classes or categories by range or placement on the number line. A bin, sometimes which called a class interval, is a way of sorting data in a histogram. Let's have this example to understand bins. In this dataset, we have 100 observations about 100 customers with two data columns. The first one is the age of each customer, and in the second one is the income of that customer. So this is the first column and this is the second column. And as you see, the data type here is continuous. So let's say that you want to visualize the data based on the age of the customer. And as you know, the data type of age is continuous. So visualizing the data in this row shape doesn't make any sense. So the best way to do that is to create classes or bins, as we call in statistics, and each bin contains a range of ages from the minimum value to the maximum value. You can select the dataset from here, and you need to skip the titles and click on this icon again and select charts and select more. Go to all charts. So one of the best charts to visualize continuous data type is histogram. So whenever you have bins, remember histogram. So we have this histogram, select it and click on OK. And here we go. So Excel automatically divided the range equally on each bin. And the range here is 6.5. So starting with the 21, which is the minimum age we have in this data set, to 27.5. Then again from 27.5 to 34 and so on to the end. And let's say you want to decide the range value by yourself. So you can delete this one if you want. Click on it and delete. And we need to use here a data tool called data analysis. Go to select data and select data analysis. And in case that you cannot find it here, you can add it. Go to File and select Options and click on Add-ins. Scroll, come to Manage here, select Go, and be sure that Analysis Tool Pack is already selected. If it's not selected as I have here, select it and click on OK. So click Data Analysis. You have here several options. You can select histogram and click on OK. And first ask you to input the range. What is the range of your dataset? And we should select the range that we want, starting from this value to the last one. And now you need to select the bin range. So click on this arrow here and let's go to select the bin. I already created the range. I want the range to be equal 5. So 20, 25, 30, 35 till 60. So select the range you want and click on this arrow again. Click on output range. Click on this arrow and let's say you want the range to be somewhere here. Go back and after that you should click on chart output to see your chart and click on OK. And here we go. This is the frequency that you want to create and showing you here the range and how many frequencies you have. So in this bin 25 to 30 you have 5 customers. In 30 to 35 you have 30. From 35 to 40 you have 16 and so on. Finally you have only 3 customers in 60. And this is the total number of the customers in your dataset. And here you can see your frequency.